Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Already we completed 3 chapters, that is, Heron's formula, lines and angle and polynomials. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter number system. That is the first chapter in your NCERT book. Okay. Today just we will know about the basic idea of number system. So before discussing the number system, automatically the number words are coming. So we have to know about the different type of number. Clear? And I mentioned here few number that I think you know about that a little bit, but today we are going to discuss a little bit more, okay, with examples also. Let's start then our first topic is natural number. Natural number means, you can say, it's a counting purpose which number is used, that is called natural number. So natural number means counting numbers we used, all that numbers are called natural number. So, and clearly our counting starts from 1. So our first natural number is 1. After that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this manner up to infinite, all the numbers are called natural number. So natural number means in counting purpose which numbers are used. Clear? And whole number means including all the natural number, and natural number is denoted by capital N also. Okay, capital N. Capital N denotes the natural number. Clear? Now whole number is denoted by capital W. Okay. Now capital W means, or whole numbers mean, including all the natural number, 0 is called whole number. So whole number means 0 plus, we can say, natural number. So whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in this way up to infinite. So natural number means the numbers which are used for counting purpose, that is starting from 1 and increasing by 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, in this way. And whole number means all the natural number plus 0. So 0 plus natural number, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now our next point is integer. Integer is denoted by capital I. Integer means all the positive number and as well as its negative number also. So 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, plus minus 6. So plus 1 is also an integer, minus 1 is also an integer, as well as 2 is an integer, that is plus 2 is an integer, also minus 2 is an integer also. In that way, all the positive whole number as well as negative whole number are called integers. Okay, and integers are divided into 2 parts, that is, first one is I plus. I plus means positive integer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And second part is denoted by I minus, that is negative integer, and it is denoted by minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, in this way. So positive integers means only the positive part, and negative integer means negative whole number. And 0, you may have a question like that. What is 0? 0 is as 0 is not a negative, naturally we consider it as a positive integer. You may not consider the 0 as a positive integer, because in many books there are many doubts. Some are in Indian, or suppose in Spanish or European country, 0 is considered as a natural number also. But in our India, 0 is considered as a whole number. So there is a little bit of you can say contradiction. What is 0? So you just right now you can neglect that. Positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and negative integer means -1, -2, -3 like that. And after that, rational number. We are coming to our next point, rational number. Rational number is denoted by Q, and rational number means which number can be expressed as the form P by Q, Q not equal to 0, and P and Q are integers. Okay? So a rational number is denoted by P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. For example, 2 by 3 is a rational number. Minus 2 by 3 is a rational number also, because P may be any integer, positive or negative, no matter in this case. 5 is a rational number. Yes, 5 may be expressed as 5 by 1, because always there is a denominator, that is 1. So every natural number is also a rational number. Clear? And irrational number means just opposite of the rational number, which number may not be expressed as if the Q not equals to P by Q. Okay, that is, the number cannot be expressed in the form P by Q. So that time ultimately our division will not finish. That time we can say it's a irrational number. That means number cannot be expressed P in the form P by Q. Clear? Our next point is prime number. Prime number means the number which is only divisible by 1 and that number. This is called prime number. Okay. Suppose I am giving an example, 5. What are the factors of 5? What are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are only 2 factors are there, 1 and 5 itself. What are the factors of 7? 1, 7. What are the factors of 3? 1, 3. So all these 5, 7, 3 like that, those who have only the common factor 1 and the number itself, these are called prime number. But in case of 4, what are the factors of 4? Suppose factors of 4, 1 is a factor, 4 itself is a factor, as well as beside of that 2 is also a factor, because 4 is divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number. Okay. So prime numbers means the number which is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. Clear? And similarly 6 are also factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 factors are there. So 6 is also not a prime number. So prime numbers mean the number which is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. Now co-prime numbers means if two or more numbers have only one common factor, that is 1, that time they are called co-prime. Suppose 5, 7, 2 numbers I have taken and their common factor is only 1. so they are co-prime numbers, are co-prime to each other. Suppose 7, 11. What are the common factors between them? 7, 12 also. What are the common factors between these two numbers? 7, 14, 6, sorry, not 7, 14, 7, 15. They are co-prime because only common factor is 1. Common factor is 1. If only one common factor is there, that is 1, that time these numbers are called co-prime. And what are the not co-prime? Suppose 7 and 14. They have a common factor 1 as well as 7 because both the numbers are divisible by 1 and 7. 7 is divisible by 1 as well as 7. 14 is divisible by 1 as well as by 7 because 7 to the 14. So these two numbers are not co-prime, but those numbers which have only one common factor, they are called co-prime to each other. Okay, and the next point is odd number and even number. You know that very well. Odd number means divisible, not divisible by 2. Even number means divisible by 2. Okay, thank you today up to that. In next video we will discuss more.